Okay, so this is the first one that I got. The race car, the race line, so that you can win. The racing line bracelet. It's so cute, and it's red and white patterns. Alright, I'm gonna put this on my left. Now on my right. So guys, this is the nature one. This is the nature one that Mary gave me as well. This racing lane, I think it's a line, not lane, was given by Mary. And this one, it's the butterfly bracelet. There's so many butterflies. You can't see it. You can't see it because it's blurry when I put it closer.
Fit check, outfit check, stand up, stand up.
No,
Stand up.
I'm not yet done. Okay, so guys,
Outfit check.
outfit check. Do you like my outfit that my mom got me? I think it was a long time ago. And then this is one sock. And you've been wondering if there's another sock on my feet. Of course. Mama, did you fart?
No.
Oh. So bye guys.